AC voltage measurement. Data retention can keep the current value for VC recording. DC voltage measurement. DC regulated power supply and measurement display. 9-volt battery measurement display. 1.3V button battery measurement display. 1.5V battery measurement display. R14 battery measurement display. Lithium battery measurement display. Comparison of accuracy. Compared with the Digital Multimeter, the value is very accurate, but to detect whether the line is on or off. Resistance measurement. Both sides can be measured. AC current measurement. Necessary in series when measuring. DC current measurement. The current must be connected in series and cannot be directly measured. NCV non-contact induction voltage. Safe to use. Zero firewire identification. Connect the red pin. Use the chest pin to take a single measurement.